This is what we're working on today. So finishing up installing our TBM brakes front and rear. We put some drag springs on the rear and the front. Your upper toe link right here. We got a 3.5-inch drive shaft installed. Got all the stiffeners for your rear cradle put in. Just little odds and ends stuff to cut some weight to. We put like carbon fiber lips on it, carbon fiber hood, front and rear. We'll be pulling the factory exhaust off, putting the active exhaust on the car. This is just going to be our, full bolt-on car. It's got our knuckles for the TBM brakes. I think the front's got, UPR stuff on the front also. But other than that, we're just trying to make this a good street car, drive it during the week, and then on the weekends go to the track, have some fun. And then we got a few other cars we've got in the shop.